Personally, kailan nyo nalaman na iba yung gender, preference niyo?
Ako, Igan, since bata pa ako.
Kasi ito, victim ng bullying din to eh. Di ba? Pinag-uusapan ngayon yung bully na...
Maitim ako, ganyan.
Okay.
Kasi Igan, nung bata pa ako, una talaga ako nagkagusto sa babae. Yun yung una kong crush, babae. Yun yung una kong iniisip, babae. Tapos, nagkakagusto rin ako sa lalaki. So, doon ko nalaman na, ba't kaya pareho ko silang gusto?
Okay.
So, bata pa ako ng grade school.
Kevin?
Tusok talaga lalaki.
Oo naman, wala namang umaantos ko naman.
Lalaki talaga.
Nanalo ang, di ba, Mr. Ano ka nga, Tarlac
Ay,
ba?
grabe.
Mr. Tarlac yan eh.
Nung third year high school lang.
Nagulat nga tate.
Mr. Intrams.
Oh, so, bata ka pa rin, lalaki na gusto mo.
Lalaki na gusto.
Sebastian, meron ka bang parang period of, parang denial, gano'n, tapos bigla, ito na yung gusto mong identity?
I knew when I was 14. I knew
14?
Because that's when you first start to... You have puberty, you start getting inclinations. I was 14 and I realized, oh my God, I love my best friend. You know that happens.
Hindi ka ba ikaw? Bakit sa'yo kinuha yung my husband's lover, ha? Oh.
Pwede.
Pwede. So, mga 14 yun. Yung best, nagulat ba yung best friend mo? Nalaman ba niya? Hindi. Hindi pa niya alam.
He knows now.
Ah, okay.
I made a song about him, Bubble.
Okay. Pero did he accept you nung nalaman niyang...
In a way. But there's a difference between toleration and acceptance. He tolerates me. I don't think he ever quite went as far as acceptance. And I don't think the Philippines has gone as far as acceptance. But that's another conversation.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, after nung best friend mo, may iba ka pa bang nakilala, na-meet na guy?
I've had 3 boyfriends.
Ah, nakatatlo ka na.
Two of my 3 ex-boyfriends have been Pinoy, which is why I'm here.
So, ano status mo ngayon?
I'm single na. For 3 months, I've been single.
Alam mo, kung pwede ko lang hiramin mukha mo ng mga 3 linggo lang. 3 linggo lang. Oo. Di ba, pwedeng gano'n, may wish na gano'n, ha? Oo. Sige, usap tayo mamaya. Okay. Kayo ba, nakita nyo ba sa experience nyo na nung nag-out kayo, o nung nagsabi kayo, naging totoo lang kayo sa sarili nyo, nagkaroon ng pagbabago o changes sa relationship ng mga friends nyo o relatives nyo? Kasi iba, fear nila na mag-out is paano sila ma-accept ng family nila, di ba? O Kevin?
Lalo na siguro sa mga sa mga cross-dressers, mahirap talagang tumanggap na mga family nila na member na bading. Kasi tingin nga sa amin yung salot, parang maduming tingin nila sa amin.
Salot?
Yung iba siguro.
Sa gandang niya.
Parang virus, Okay.
Yun nga eh. Tapos, ang ginawa ko na lang siguro ginawa ko lahat. Yung pag-aaral ko, tinapos ko.
Para wala masabi.
Tapos, okay naman
Tapos,
sa awa na.
parang ito na yung right time, sabi mo gano'n.
Tama,
Ayan,
exactly.
nag-join ka na dyan.
Oo.
Na,
Kasi kung di nila ako kayang tanggapin, edi wag na lang din. Tatanggapin ko naman sarili ko eh.
Okay, Sebastian, how's your family?
Siyempre naman, there's always gonna be problems. I mean...
Hanggang ngayon, or okay na? Meron pa rin?
We have a lot of things we don't talk about. It's like don't ask, don't tell.
Okay.
I came out to them since I was 17, and that's when they kicked me out. They just didn't want to see me. So I know what it's like to have that just in your face, just cut ties, disownment. It's like that. And it's not like it's just me. Lots of people face the same thing. So it's our story. It's so many of us have experienced it, and people should see that. People should. It's something that something people ignore.
Okay. At sana sa mga sharing nyo rito, no? Maraming matutunan yung mga nanonood sa ating parents na, di ba, na medyo may problema rin sa kanilang mga anak. Pero ano masasabi nyo na ang Pilipinas daw ay isa raw sa mga gay-friendly, no, na bansa sa mundo? Base sa inyong mga experience, totoo ba to na gay-friendly ang Pilipinas?
It's hard because you want to say yes. I love the Philippines, but not friendly isn't the right word.
Yeah,
it's like maybe more accepting compared to some countries nearby, but there's still so much we go through, and it's like when gays are on TV and they're there to entertain you, it's like we're okay because you understand we're in a stereotype. But it's like once we leave that box, once we're something you don't understand. Once we're a very masculine man that's gay, once we're a very feminine girl that's a lesbian, once we're something that doesn't make sense, may problema.
Okay.
And we're not understood.